Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Okay, I want to come back to talk to you guys about internet marketing training, how you need to be educated to learn a skill so that you can be successful in your online journey, okay, with making money online. Okay, and I've got two programs that I've been promoting for quite a while, two affiliate programs that I stand behind that's solid, that will give you all the training you need, okay, to get started, okay. And then of course you have my support and different marketing tips and things that I will provide, but I'm speaking of the courses that you're going to invest in. I have two top programs, so that's what I want to talk about today. But before we get started, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video, okay? Now, the two programs that we're going to talk about real briefly, and I'm going to put the links below for both of those, okay, is Easy One Up and the Fearless Momma. Two great digital education programs, all right? So let's take a look. All right, first, we've got the Fearless Momma, created by Tammy Montgomery, 11 years of proven money-making skill sets. That's a part of this program that she has. It's digital education, it's mastermind, mastermind vaults of training of 21 modules, okay? I'm going to make some notes here. We got 21 modules plus 6 bonuses, guys, with this. All that for a whole one-time $250. That's it. Okay. Let me put a note on here of that one. Okay. No admin fee, no levels, just straight $250. You're going to make $250 every time you sell this course. Okay. And you make $250 per sale. Okay. So you would pay $250 today, no admin, that's it. And you're going to get all this training, 21 modules and 6 bonuses, okay? And there's a Facebook group that you will be a part of as well, okay? And I'm going to show you that. Then you have the Easy One Up digital education training modules. There's 6 courses really, because you got your 2000. I always leave that one off because I forgot they added that one later. Okay, you have all these courses, and they come with different levels. Depends on what course you purchase, that's the commission you will receive, okay? So if you purchase the $100 course, you can make $100 every time you resell this training course, and so forth on each course. Now the difference with this one, it does, as far as the comp plan, it has what's called a one-up, which gives you leverage, okay? It's very powerful. Everybody you sign up will have to pass up their second sale, okay? Which is great. So for an example, let's say you came in at the $100 level, you pay $110, and your first sale you're going to keep. Your second sale, okay, when that person comes in and they pay $100, that second sale will pass up to your sponsor, okay? And then that person that passed up to you, their second sale will be passed up, okay? That's how that goes. So that gives you a lot of leverage and a lot of income that can come in. So they're both great programs. And here is the sites for both of those, fearlessacademy.com. And then you have 1K with my phone, okay? So let's go over and take a look at each one of those websites, okay? And they both come with back offices and all that, a website. You know, you can track your sales, autoresponder, the whole shebang, okay? All right, let's take a look.
From the comfort of your own home, welcome to...
All right, that's the video that's going to play, which is a great for pages also. But I just want to show you all the training. That's the $25 level. We're talking about making money, okay? So we want to start at least at the Elevation Elite. But there's the courses for the $25, okay? You get a lot for $25, okay? All right, so the $100 level, here's all the courses. So you get all this training, guys. You have to be trained, just like with your job. You want to always be having continual education. And when you think about it, you say at your job, you're like, well, how do I get a raise? How do I make more money? How do I elevate to the next level? You go out, typically, is what happens. You get more duties, right? You go and say, hey, I want to take on some more responsibilities, but to really make the money, they're going to say, hey, well, you need to go get some more certifications or some more training. So you go out and you spend thousands of dollars to go get you some classes, you know, whether it's certification or get you you know, your master's or your PhD or whatever it is, and then you come back in hopes that you can move up in the company. Okay, so it's still education. That's academic. This is more internet marketing, making money online. Okay, but the difference here is when you invest in these programs, you can resell these courses and get paid. Okay, but I'm just trying to give you an analogy of you need education. You need to learn the skill. Okay, so that's what these courses are going to teach you. So here's the vertex, and here's all the courses listed with the little checks next to them. Those are the courses. Okay, so that's the name of it, and then here's all the courses. And of course, you get all the lower levels are included. So if you came at the 500, you get all the other levels below. Okay, so you get all the courses. That's with the check marks next to them. So you're getting lots and lots of education on how to do this thing out here. All this internet marketing tells you internet marketing for business people. Okay, so you get to learn while you earn. Okay, and it tells you right here, you learn on demand, and you can access these courses from any smart device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or a laptop, as long as you have access to a Wi-Fi connection. Okay. Both of these courses, both of these different programs, okay? So, but it's very reasonable to start your education journey and learning. See, it even tells you here, marketing, cash generation video series, okay? So, you can even download these as well, okay? So, here's training for this particular program, Easy One Up, okay? So, let's go over and take a look at the Fearless Mama's education. So both of these is what I recommend if you want to start learning and get on this journey. Okay, so you have this one. Hang on, all these things are popping up. Hang on a second. Mama back office, and you can see here, as I said, it's called the Vault, and you have lots of video training. I'm going to show you that as well. Now, let's see. Okay, here we are. Now, one of the main differences with this one is, with the Fearless Mama, it's actually where Tammy actually had her team or groups, entrepreneurs, like minded entrepreneurs, are on a hangout, and it was recorded, you know. She basically talked about whatever the topic is, explained it, answered questions, and that type of thing, and actually recorded it. So this is more in a group setting, okay? So you can see that that there's real live people on these trainings, okay? Let me finish this up real quickly because it's about to storm, okay? So as you can see, all the trainings, guys, you'll see it's in a group setting. So she's actually spearheading or hosting, because this is more of a community type training, okay? So you have a community type training here. Now, Easy One Up does have a Facebook group, a Facebook group of like-minded entrepreneurs as well. But her training, the difference is her training is more of a community, and it was recorded in a hangout group setting. Versus Easy One Up is more of different. You may see different people that's doing the training on different topics. Okay. All right. As you can see, I'm just scrolling through all the different modules. Okay, see, as I mentioned, there's 21 modules, right? I just showed you all 21. Remember, you get 6 bonuses, and here they are, classroom-style training. Basically, that's what you have in a hangout session of a community of entrepreneurs. Okay, and let's continue. Okay, and as you get ready to check out, guys, it also shows you what you get, so there's no question. Make sure my name is there. There's no question of what you get. It shows you all the modules. So before you pay your $250 right here and cash out, it tells you what you're getting. Okay? So as stated, 21 modules and 6 bonuses. That's what you're getting. Now, what I like about both of these programs, though, okay, you can receive your commissions any way you want. In your profile of both of these, you would just log into your back office, okay, and you would just specify if you want to receive cash, you want your payments received cash app, if you want them in cash, If you want to set it up with Stripe and just accept credit card or debit card payments, you can do that automatically. However you want to receive your commissions, you can do that. Okay, so you just have to set that up. That's no big deal. You just put it in there, and I'll go over that with you to help you get to set everything up. Okay. Okay. So you're looking at, like I said, two great systems, two different companies of digital education that show you how to make money online with the training. Okay. You have everything you need. They both are turnkey systems. Okay. So either one of those works for you. If you don't want any Passups, then you want to go with the Fearless Momma. And you just make $250 over and over and over and over. Okay. If you want the leverage with Easy One Up, then you will select Easy One Up. Alright? But I'm going to put the links below for both of those. But I just want to show you guys two great programs far as how to make money online with digital education. Because a lot of times people don't know where they should go. But you need to be educated. Because once you learn the skill, okay, of how to do this, doesn't matter what program at this point that you join, you're going to be fine and you're going to succeed with it because you're going to have built a foundation. You know what I find? A lot of people want the final product, but they don't want to go through the process. Okay? Let me repeat that. Most people want the final product, but they don't want to go through the process to get there. Okay? You got to plant your seeds, guys. Okay? Plant your seeds. Start with building your list, getting leads, getting people looking at what you have to offer. Okay? That's what we're really in, the lead generation business. Once we get enough leads looking at what we have to offer, it eventually turns into a sale. Okay? And we'll go through that at a later time. I just want to plug in that for you. But these are the two top I recommend. Okay? Get started where you want. You can always upgrade with Easy One Up. Okay? So, that's what I have to say for today. Okay? And they're both 100% commission if I didn't say that before. You don't have to split your commission with anybody. Everything is all yours. Okay? That's what I like about this. No splitting. 100% commission. So again, what I'm going to do is put the links below for both of these. Go check them out for yourself. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to get you started on both. And I have great bonuses for both. And we'll talk about that when we talk offline. If you have any questions, just give me a call. But meanwhile, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay? Till next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.